All right, guys, we're back with another flip. This is a 07 RMZ250 F. I don't know if there's an F at the end. RMZ250, 750 bucks. I'll say it again, 750 bucks. Now you may be looking at the frame, you're like, that's not worth 750 bucks.
Compression.
Well, not right now because there's nothing on it.
But I mean, it turns.
Let's see, here we got OEM exhaust with an FMF power bomb in the front, full plastics. And then he said the gasket was leaking a little bit, so he gave us an entire top end gasket kit right here. And then water pump rebuild kit. We got both carb rebuilds, so mid body and then basic. And then we have the entire fork rebuild kit. Let's see here. We also got just, the brake lever. A couple of other little things here and there. Here's the old carb kit. Both service manuals and everything else is here. OEM carb. She's a little dirty. We'll get her clean. And then
Plastics are all new.
There is a Wiseco sticker right there, so I am a little suspicious that there could be a Wiseco piston in it, but it's all good. We also got
Pro taper.
KTM bars, rental.
Choker.
That would be my hunch, is that it's a hot start. And then we got the Pro Taper bar mounts. Forks are a little leaky.
Aftermarket clutch lever.
Got the Pro Taper clutch lever.
But that's why we gotta do the forks.
We also get 2 sets of tires with it. So we got the dirt tire and then the paddle tire. Aftermarket seat cover, decor seat. Yeah, she's looking mint for 750. Absolutely got a steal on this. He was like, I have 6 other people behind you and some of them are willing to pay 850, but gotta go with the honesty system. So that's a steal. I call that a steal. This has to be aftermarket.
It's still recording, and it has a title.
And it has a full title. Perfectly ready to be transferred. Here, I'll even show you guys.
No, don't.
Just kidding. Yeah. That's a steal, guys. That's a good old-fashioned steal. Look at this. He was even cool and put Rockstar stickers because he's a cool kid like that. She's mint. There isn't too much wear for being an 07. Still a good amount, but again, she's an 07. I reckon the least we will get is 1,500, but I think we'll sell it for around 2K.
I think you can get 2,500 for it with all the aftermarket.
We also got the little spoke things. Those things took so much time to put on. I already know he wanted to hurt himself putting them on.
Yeah, which kind of stinks for switching out the tire, but
yeah. Oh, it's crazy out of true. Watch this. If I spin it.
yeah, it's just there's dirt on it, so it looks like it. It's not.
It's out of true.
It's not.
This is the old racehorse. Ordered parts. Partzilla is freaking slow.
And there's the other, your dad's bike that you pop the tire on.
Yeah. Didn't have a bike to ride. Yeah. Alright, guys. Back out here at the 2007 RMZ250. Took the valve cover off. And we're going to set it to top dead center. And then we're going to measure the valves really quick. Because I do already have shims. So why not already get the shims figured out. Got Rosie out here. Master mechanic. She's here to help.
That's very close.
But yeah, I'm gonna go grab a tripod really fast. I love phone. All right, so here we are, torn to the head a little further. Got it at top dead center. Let me show you guys. Hopefully, because it does top dead center. There you guys go. That's top dead center right there. And then I measured all the valves, and we have 12 thousandths of an inch, 11 thousandths of an inch, 0.0015 thousandths of an inch. I think that's like millionth of an inch? 100th? Thousandth? No. 100,000th, 10 thousandths, 100 thousandths, 10 thousandth of an inch. And then 0.006, 6,000 or 6 thousandths of an inch. For reference, this is 0.0015 of an inch. It was this exactly because I went up one more size too. I wish it would focus. because I went up one more time and it didn't fit. So it is 0.115 an inch. Good thing, 0.00, okay, I just can't talk. But good thing we have shim kit. So you're gonna pop these johns out, keep digging into the head. All right, sorry for the oil on the camera, but got the cams out right here. You can see there's no rounding or anything on any of the, hold on. Okay, sorry. So you can see there's no rounding or anything on it. Looking good. And then this one, same thing. No rounding on any of the cams. No wear marks. Both bearings spin just fine. I'd show you, but I only have one. There we go. Bearings spin just fine. And then the mechanism, decompression mechanism lever, pops back every time. Although there is a little bit of wear on the screw right here, but I don't think it's anything to fret over. Just doing a quick flip, and then you can see this one's bearing. Spins just fine. But right now, gotta go to school. So yeah, when I come back, I'll keep working. Sorry, I'd film this whole process if I had a tripod, but I can't find it. But got the buckets out. Now we just gotta take these out. Then we can take a look-see inside the engine. I'm still deciding whether I should take out the valves or not, because I already have the valve seats and I just gotta replace them whenever I do it. So I'll probably do it, and I can clean out everything too. So all right, so we got the cylinder there off, and what we got here is a piston in almost perfect condition. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Hot rod's crank, if you can see that. Hot rods. And 0 up and down play. 0 up and down. And my hunch is a Y-scale piston, but I scraped off all the buildup right here, so I'm just gonna look those numbers up. Cylinder is in need of a little bit of honing. So you got some stuff right there, but nothing that the finger catches on. But yeah, so I'm gonna head over to Cycle Gear because I have to grab a couple of things, and I'm gonna see if they have a hone. I'm doubtful that they do, but it would be nice if they could, because I could actually almost get this done today, except the forks. I've never actually really worked on forks, I'll be honest, but it's all right. We'll figure it out. The reason it was leaking, I'm skeptical it was because there was gasket residue that they hadn't scraped off of it yet. So that could be part of the reason. Still not 100% sure. I'm just hoping when I put it all back together that it doesn't leak. Case halves look fine. Doesn't look like anything was coming out of like the bottom end. And yeah, everything's really smooth. And let me look at that number. See if it's a Y-scale piston. Hot rod's bottom end, I mean, it's nice, but like obviously OEM's gonna be the king, but it means someone has been in there recently since 2007 and put a bottom end in there. So that's pretty good to know. Yeah, might just take off these little things, polish the frame, get it all nice and good looking, and yeah, put it all back together. Just looked it up. It is indeed a Y-scale piston. Thought it looked like one, but I just wanted to double check and look up the number. But got shims, got everything. This build could realistically be done this week, but unfortunately I have to go back to school still. So maybe next couple of weeks, and then this mess, this beast of yuck. Got the cinnamon roll up there. He's kind of been here since the shop started. He's chill. Mostly don't even really worry about him. Yeah, that's it. This is the old piston that was in my bike. It's a GYTR high comp piston. High compression. This is the new one. Yeah, I replaced this bearing right here. It's in there. And this bearing was fine, unfortunately, but the other one is completely seized, but I ordered the wrong side. Anyway, see if I can go to Cycle Gear and get the things I need. Forgot to hit a little vlog. We got these. Wow, my camera's way away. Cleaned them all up. Cleaned the entire head up. It's chilling over there. I'm just bringing parts over there. Putting everything together. I gotta do the whole mathematical thing with like the shims and stuff. And yuck. But we will get it done. I hate that I've been doing this, but I film less and less. I swear as the thing continues. But I got icky lube all over me. Okay, so I have this. I re-shimmed everything so that it all works. This one I did not have the correct size shim, so I'm gonna wait until we can get that. Currently I'm working on the forks. I have the right fork out right now, and I'm getting that one all done on my messy table. I hate it. It's terrible. Anyway. Alright, so got the fork apart. Really would have liked to set it up here, but there's an entire 2020 YZ250F engine on the table. Okay. Forks, actually, believe it or not, were going to be the scariest thing of this entire project. But once you tear them apart, they aren't as bad as I thought they were, except that little piece right there. That little piece does freak me out. I don't know how it works, but all the rest, I'm guessing those marks shouldn't be on there, but it's all cool. We're gonna rebuild everything and get her back to spick and span. Got the service manual here to help me out. Okay, I'm gonna go hang out with friends now. Alright, so right now we're working on the shock damper, or I think that's what it's called, and then I have all the rebuild parts right here. I'm gonna clean it all up, slap it together. Should be a pretty good build. Alright. I keep forgetting the video because, and you know, I'm a special type of special. But we got one cam in, getting everything at TD, or TDC, yeah. And then I have one more valve to put in. Yeah, valve, cam, same difference. The end. It is now kind of dark out, but I think I got them all aligned. See if that helps. So surface of the head, vertical, surface of the head, vertical, and then perfectly lined up in there. So hopefully she should be all timed. Alright, got everything in. Got spark, just tested it. Ooh, I'm cooked. But we're gonna get going on this carburetor. Alright, so I can already tell how this carb rebuild's gonna go. Each of these were drilled and impact screwdrived out. And I'm not even down to like, yeah. You get the point. Happy it's at least just a little clean. Oh, no. But the inside's kinda clean. Boy, am I lucky that he bought a carb kit.